Hello and welcome to the channel Fabrico. Today we're going to sew Sophia Obi belt. It's a kind of kimono belt, but it's designed for everyday wear. It fastens with snap buttons, recommended to wear on the dresses, blouses or tops to accentuate the waist. You'll need the following materials. Any material that keep their shape well, like leather or suede, will be perfect. Also, you need snap buttons and lining. Let's get sewing! Place the front lining pieces right sides down on the back and stitch. Leave an unstitched opening in the left side seam for turning the belt inside out. Press the seams. Place the front pieces right side down on the back and stitch. Place the seam allowances open and make top stitches on the right side of the front piece, 2 mm or 1/8 of an inch from the previous seam on the left and the right parts. Sew the belt loop. Use a 5 mm just under 1/4 of an inch stitch length and turn it onto the right side. Press and make top stitches 2 mm or 1/8 of an inch from the folds. Cut the belt loops to the desired length. Place the belt parts right sides together and stitch along the middle edge. Place the seam allowances open and make top stitches on the right side of the piece, 2 mm or 1/8 of an inch from the previous seam. Place the belt right side down and sew it. Use a 7 mm or 1/4 of an inch stitch length, leaving an unstitched opening for further turning inside out. Turn it right side out, press it and make a top stitch 5 mm or just under 1/4 of an inch along the belt. Place the upper part of the main fabric belt and the lining right sides together and sew in a circle. Use a 7 mm or 1/4 of an inch stitch length. Trim the curves, corners, turn it onto the right side and press. Make a top stitch 5 mm or just under 1/4 of an inch around the perimeter of the part. Sew up the unstitched opening. Place the belt loops along the markings on the upper belt and stitch. Sew snap buttons following the markings on the patterns. Pull the belt into the loops. The belt is done.